Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus RX350 maintenance light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that your multi-information display shows the odometer reading. If it doesn't, simply press the trip button until the odometer appears. This is a crucial first step to ensure you can access the correct menu for the reset process. Now that the odometer is visible, press and hold the trip button. Keep holding it down for several seconds. You'll notice the maintenance light on your dashboard display will start to flash. This flashing indicates that you've successfully entered the reset mode. Once the light begins to flash, you can release the trip button. This action prepares the system for the final reset. To finalize the reset, turn your ignition completely off. Wait a moment, then turn the ignition back to the on position, again without starting the engine. At this point, the maintenance required light should be off, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. It sometimes takes 1 or 2 attempts to get it right. After completing the reset, double-check that the maintenance light is no longer illuminated on your dashboard. This confirms the process was successful. Remember, resetting the light doesn't replace actual maintenance, so always keep up with your vehicle's service schedule. For more helpful tips and product deals, including a great way to stay hydrated with the Owala water bottle, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.